Hello and welcome to my Learn French in Few Minutes series. Today's French phrase is je suis, which means I am. And in today's video, we are going to learn 10 important sentences with je suis to express yourselves, which can be very useful for your everyday French conversation. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I am funny. Je suis drôle. Je suis drôle. I am cute. Je suis mignon. Je suis mignon. I am cute. Je suis mignonne. Je suis mignonne. I am strong. Je suis fort. Je suis fort. I am strong. Je suis forte. Je suis forte. I am weak. Je suis faible. Je suis faible. I am fat. Je suis gros. Je suis gros. I am fat. Je suis grosse. Je suis grosse. I am slim. Je suis mince. Je suis mince. I am famous. Je suis célèbre. Je suis célèbre. Great job, everyone. Try repeating these phrases daily to build your confidence in speaking French. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. À bientôt!